you guys, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a viewer's choice video, okay? All right, I did this one for y'all that don't like baby hair, okay? So today we're doing this jet black, sleek, bust down, no baby hair. No baby hair. So yes, you guys, this is a 5x5 lace frontal unit, and this one is from WestKissHair. And you guys, like, I really wanted something that looked like sleek, so I decided not to do any baby hair. You guys are always talking about baby hair, baby hair. So today I was like, let me just get him a little something with no baby hair. This might be the only one though. Because I miss my baby hair, but it's still, you guys, it came out looking so good. The hair is really nice. It's nice and ooh, bouncy. And I'm going to show you guys how to make your affordable units look like this, okay? Because this is an affordable unit and it looks like raw hair. So I'm going to show you guys how to transform your unit to look like this. So if you guys want to see it, keep on watching. But before we go further into the video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that like button, okay? It's free, it helps support my channel, and it helps push me through the algorithm, okay? So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you like this video, all right? So let's get right into it. I have on my wig grip, as always, you guys, and this is our beautiful wig we're installing today. This right here is a 5x5 lace closure wig, and like I've been telling you guys, I've been loving 5x5 lace closure wigs. And this wig did have a body wave texture, but because I bleached the knots and stuff and washed it, that did kind of wash out some of the texture. And right here I just put the hooks on the last latch, and this wig fits really nice. It's not too tight or anything like that. And today we are going to do just a super sleek look. Some of you guys have been requesting looks without a whole lot of baby hair, so I'm definitely going to incorporate that. First thing I'm going to do is just get my parting in order. So I'm just going to make a nice clean middle part. I love the 5x5 because you can do a nice long part. I hate little parts. Whenever I have little part wigs, I usually do like a flip over or maybe a side part, but I'm such a middle part girl. I love adequate parting space. I don't know, to me it's like a must-have on my wigs, especially if I'm wearing straight hair. So as you guys can see, my wig is a little full. So what I'm gonna do is just pull down a little hair. And this right here is gonna act as our baby hair, right? And then you just wanna pluck behind. When you're doing a lace closure, you really don't have to take that much hair out. I'm just gonna thin this part out right here. I'd rather have my closure too thick and go back and repluck than to have it too thin. So I'm definitely gonna stop right here. You just wanna brush the hair you just plucked out. All this is so simple, y'all. I hope y'all taking notes. Cause y'all, we gotta start learning how to do our own hair, okay? It's time to save some money. For us that need to save some money, okay? Because doing hair is a luxurious service. Everybody been talking about how much stylists charge and stuff nowadays. You know, getting your hair done is not a necessity, okay? So definitely take my tips and learn how to do it yourself, because y'all, it's really not that hard. I guess I would say it takes a lot of patience. Definitely a lot of patience. So learn to get patient, okay? We need to learn how to do our own hair and nails, period. Like, just because, like, even if you can afford it, still learn, because you never know when you have to do your own stuff. So now we're gonna take our EBN Wonder Lace spray. Y'all know this is all I use to put on my wigs. I feel like it works way better than Got To Be, okay? And it's faster, it dries down good, and it is a nice hold. Let's go ahead and spray. Okay, and then we're just gonna let that roll down. Now, how y'all let me forget to cut my wig? I gotta cut it while it's wet. All right. So I'm just gonna scoot it down just a bit, because I think it was up a little high. Okay, you guys, so that's how it's looking right now. I'm gonna spray a little bit more of EBN on there. And then I'm gonna go in with my dryer just to make sure everything is tacked down really good. I have everything tacked down. I'm just gonna take an edge brush, spray a little bit of EBN on it, and then I'm just gonna just brush my wig back. Just kind of get the edges laying how I want. You can literally clean up the rest of that glue like on your face with just some water. I'm just gonna go back over it with some powder, because this is kind of where my makeup came off at. So this is what it's giving with no baby hair. Okay. So the hair is nice and soft. I am getting a little bit of shedding. I just got a little bit, Not nothing to like be concerned about, but it was a little bit of shedding. Y'all, this is laid. Laid. I really do love and appreciate that look of no baby hair. Definitely a different look for myself, but I like it. It's cute. So I'm gonna take my dryer and just press out this side of my hair again. Oh my God. Y'all, this is so hard for us YouTubers. Y'all just don't understand how many times lip gloss gets into the hair. Like, at this point, I think that might be my head. Now we're just gonna take our flat irons, and I'm using my Babyliss Pro Nano Titaniums, whatever. And we're just gonna flat iron our hair all over until it's nice and sleek and, you know, giving the look that we want. We want nice, sleek hair, okay? And I'm gonna be spraying my Behind the Zone flipped out spray. You guys see it? And basically this is a spray on finisher. And I have my flat irons on 410. You want to make sure you get those ends nice and smooth too, okay? Get those ends really nice and smooth. I like this spray because it kind of puts like a coating and a hold on the hair, and it also gives it some bounce. And it will be a little crispy, as you guys can see. Look at that. It's gonna be a little crispy while you flat ironing it, but that's okay. That's what we want, okay? That is what we want. What I'm gonna do is just take my rat tail comb and comb it out, and it's gonna have like this bounce of like a fresh wrap. As you guys can see, it's very different from the other side. It's definitely giving you vibes of a fresh wrap on this side, and this side is kind of fuzzy. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this side, and then I'll be right back to talk a little bit more about the wig. Okay, you guys, so everything is nice and silky. It's definitely giving me the look I was going for. I wanted something sleek, jet black, shiny, no baby hair. And I can say, when you don't have baby hair, it looks more realistic. It looks more like, I don't know, kind of like your hair. I'm gonna start using product more often in my more affordable wigs, because it feels like that product really transformed the hair and made it feel even better. Like the hair feels, y'all, it feels good, okay? It has flow to it, shine, and it looks so good, y'all. That looks so good. Literally, you guys, doing your hair is this simple. It's just steps and patience, okay? So if you guys are interested in this hair, it will be linked below. It's so pretty and affordable, okay? Everything I use from today's video will also be linked below. So I believe that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching another one of my hair videos. Please don't forget to thumb it up. Thumb this video up. It's free. It helps pushes me through the algorithm. And y'all should like the video because y'all like me, duh. I done taught all y'all a lot about hair. Don't cap, okay? Don't cap. Give me my flowers, all right? But let me go eat, you guys. I'm just playing. When I get hungry, I get silly. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one.